This is video 6 in our Google AdWords Keyword Planner Advanced training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a look at targeting and how you can work with that data and use it to make more profit in your business. So I'm over here at the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool, and I'm going to click on this first option here, and I'll just put in fishing. Just keep it really broad, and I'll just click Get Ideas just for this sample here. And it's going to go ahead and bring back this data to us here. Now, you'll notice that by default, the search trends option is available. Someone asked in a previous video where this was at. You can actually toggle the chart here. So if you do a search and you don't see that chart, you can click on this toggle chart right here. And that should bring back this information here. If you happen to be one of the individuals who's just getting back ranges instead of individual amounts, and you do need a source for that search volume, make sure to check out video number 1. I'll show you a free tool that you can use with Chrome to get the search volume figures back for the Google AdWords keyword tool. But in this video, we're going to actually click this button right here, and we're going to go down to breakdown by location. Okay, so breakdown by location. We get some really interesting information here. Now you'll notice that my initial targeting is all locations. So in other words, worldwide. We've put in the keyword fishing, and now we're going to see a graph here, and it'll show us the percentages of the searches, basically the keywords down here, the percentages and based on which country. So 42.5% of the search volume for these terms is coming from the United States, 8% is coming from the United Kingdom, and 48.9%. So nearly half is from the United States, and the rest is made up of either the United Kingdom or other countries. Now, what's really cool about this is we can come over here, and if we change this to, let's change it to United States. We will add that in and we'll save it. And you'll watch what happens. This graph will now update the information here, and you'll see what happens next is now we have a breakdown of the individual states. So California is 11%, Texas is 9%, Florida is 8%, New York is 5.5%, Illinois 3.6%, and the other states are 61%. So California. Now if I come over here and I put in California, and I'll remove the United States there and I'll hit save. And sure enough, what you would guess what happened was we're now going to break it down by region within California. And it's using this Nielsen Direct Marketing Association region value. So Los Angeles, 43% of the searches down below were made in Los Angeles, California. Now that's some pretty cool targeting you could use. You could use this if you had an e-commerce store in a specific town or location and you want to target the terms that people are typing, because it does change by region, especially if things are popular in one part of the country and they're not in another part of the country. You could use it obviously if you had a physical store, not even an e-commerce store, and you just wanted to find ways that your market is talking online to get some information. You could use it if you were going to target a specific location with advertising. Obviously that's the intent here, is that you would you could restrict your ads to only show my ads for fishing in Los Angeles, and we could even break it down further than this. But the main thing I wanted you to point out in this video was that this feature is available up here, because a lot of people just kind of overlook this and they go straight to the keywords and the search volume. They don't really think about the targeting and the regions, the demographics, the psychographics, these kinds of things. So this is available up here for your demographic information, and just know that your targeting setting here affects the information you get here. So you can do some really cool analysis, and you can really target your ads to just your right audience, the people that are actually going to become your customers. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this for mobile and why it matters, why you should actually take a look and see which keywords have mobile searches and what percentage of the searches are mobile searches. There's a really important reason you need to take a look at that. So make sure to watch the next video in our Google AdWords Keyword Tool training series.